Good morning class. This is your maths class. So today we will be starting about comparison of fractions. Means how to compare fractions, that which one is greater and which one is smaller. First of all, we have comparison of fractions which are having same denominator. Okay. We have to compare fractions which are having same denominator. Then see, suppose 1 by 5, 2 by 5, 3 by 5, 4 by 5, 4 fractions are there. So all are having same denominator, then it is very easy to find out which one is greatest. The one which is having highest numerator will be the greatest, and the one which is having the smallest numerator will be the lowest. That is how we will write it. Like this, 4 by 5 is greater than 3 by 5, is greater than 2 by 5, is greater than 1 by 5. Clear? In descending order, if it is asked. If in ascending order it is asked, you will write 1 by 5 is smaller than 2 by 5, then 3 by 5, then 4 by 5. Clear? Now let's move on to the exercise. Just see. Exercise 33, put the correct symbol greater or less than in the placeholder. 4 by 5, 2 by 5. Which will be greater? The one which is having greater numerator. So, numerator 4 is greater or 2? 4 is greater, so we will put greater sign this side. Clear? Now, 1 by 6, 5 by 6. 1 is greater or 5? 5 is greater, so we will put greater sign this side. Clear? Like this only we have to do. These all parts you have to do. I think you have understood it now, how to do it. Now let's move on to the second question, that is arrange the following in fractions in ascending order. Now you have to arrange in ascending order. Then what you will, ascending order means smaller to bigger. So what you will do, suppose A part you have to do. What is the question? 7 by 9, 1 by 9, 4 by 9 and 5 by 9. You have to arrange all these fractions in ascending order. So what will you do? First of all, ascending order means smaller to bigger. So which is smallest? 1 by 9 will be the smallest. Then make a smaller than sign. Then which will be there? 4 by 9. Then 5 by 9, smaller than 7 by 9. This will be the answer. Clear? Like this you will have to do in ascending order. And in descending order, what you will do? Descending order means bigger to smaller. Now if suppose 4 by 7, 2 by 7, 6 by 7, 1 by 7 and 3 by 7. This is the question. So how you will arrange in descending order? So first we will write the greatest one. So which will be the greatest one? 6 by 7, then 4 by 7, then 3 by 7, then 2 by 7, then 1 by 7. Okay? Clear? Like this we will arrange it in the descending order. Descending order means bigger to smaller and ascending order means smaller to bigger. Now comparison of fractions with the same numerator. Suppose this was there with same denominator. Now if numerator is same and denominator is different, then how you will do? Just see here, I am telling you, reverse will be there. Suppose 2 by 5 and 2 by 7 is there. Which is smaller, you have to find it out. So now numerators are same, denominators are different. So if numerators are same and denominators are different, then the one which is having the smaller denominator will be the greater fraction. Clear? So 2 by 5 will be greater than 2 by 7. That means which is smaller is asked. So which will be smaller? 2 by 7 will be smaller. Okay? Clear? In a fraction when denominators were same in previous exercise, then the numerator which is greater will be the greater fraction, and the denominator, if In second case, in this case, if numerator is same and denominators are different, then what you will do, you will check whichever will be the, whose denominator will be the smaller one, that fraction will be the greatest one and the other will be the smaller one. Clear? Now see in this one, 3 by 4, 3 by 7. Numerator is same, denominator is different. So which will be the greater one? I said that will be the greater one whose denominator will be small. So 4 is small or 7? 4 is small, so that means this is greater. Now see this one, 4 by 9, 4 by 7. So 7 is small, so 4 by 7 will be greater. Clear? The one which is having smaller denominator will be the greater fraction. Clear? Now arrange in ascending order. Ascending order means smaller to bigger. Now question is 2 by 5, 2 by 5, 2 by 7, 2 by 3 and 2 by 9. Question number 10th, A part I am telling you. This is the question. So how to solve it? What will you do now? See, you have to arrange in ascending order. Ascending order means first you have to write the smallest one. So the one which will be having the greatest denominator, that will be the smallest. So 2 by 9 will be the smallest, then 2 by 7, then 2 by 5, then you will write 2 by 3. Clear? This will be the answer in ascending order. And in descending order, first you will write, suppose this is there, 2 by 9, 2 by 11, 2 by 5, 2 by 3. Descending order means greater to smaller. So which will be the greater? 2 by 3, then 2 by 5, then 2 by 9, then 2 by 11. Clear? Now what are like fractions and what are unlike fractions? Like fractions are those fractions which are having same denominators, and unlike fractions are those fractions which are having different denominators. Such as these are the examples of unlike fractions. Why? Because all are having different denominators. And these are the examples of like fractions. Why? Because these all are having the same denominator, that is 9. Clear? Now in exercise 35, first question is to find out which of the following are groups of like fractions. You have to find out which of the following are like 2 by 5, 4 by 5. Denominator is same, so they are like fractions. So you will write in front of it here only like fraction. 1 by 8, 3 by 8, 7 by 8. All are having same denominator, so it is like fraction. So write in front of it like. Now see this one, 1 by 6, 2 by 9, 3 by 5, 4 by 7, 1 by 3. All are having different denominators. So it is unlike. So write here unlike fraction. Clear? Now in this one, 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 6, 1 by 7, 1 by 8, 1 by 10. All are having different denominators. So it is a unlike fraction. Clear? Now which of the following are groups of like fractions? Here it is asked like fractions. So what you will do, don't write here unlike fractions. Just you have to only tick the like fractions. Okay. This one is like fraction, this one is like fraction, and this one is like fraction. And this one is F part is like fraction or not? Yes, because all are having same denominator, that is 9. Clear? So you have to only tick like this. Which of the following are groups of unlike fractions? Unlike fractions. This is unlike or like? It is like. Why? Because they are having same denominator. These are unlike or like? These are unlike. So tick this one. Why? Because all are having different denominators. This is like and then this is unlike. So tick this one. Write 3 like fractions with denominator 8. Any 3 like fractions you can write. Where denominator should be 8, numerator can be any number. Okay. Denominator should be 11, numerator can be any number. 3 like fractions you have to make. These 3 questions you have to do in notebook. Clear? Now I will be giving you the PDF of classwork and homework that you have to do in book and notebook. Clear? Thank you, class.